25 fresh fruits. Apple. Apples are good for digestion. Banana. Bananas give quick energy. Orange. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Mango. Mangoes improve skin health. Grapes. Grapes are good for the heart. Pineapple. Pineapples help with digestion. Strawberry. Strawberries are full of antioxidants. Blueberry. Blueberries boost brain health. Raspberry. Raspberries support the immune system. Blackberry. Blackberries are good for bones. Cherry. Cherries reduce inflammation. Watermelon. Watermelon keeps the body hydrated. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe strengthens the immune system. Honeydew. Honeydew helps maintain healthy skin. Papaya. Papaya is good for digestion. Kiwi. Kiwi improves immunity. Pear. Pears are good for the stomach. Peach. Peaches improve skin texture. Plum. Plums help control blood sugar. Apricot. Apricots support eye health. Nectarine. Nectarines improve heart health. Pomegranate. Pomegranates increase blood flow. Lemon. Lemons detoxify the body. Lime. Limes strengthen the immune system. Grapefruit. Grapefruits help with weight loss. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more simple English sentences.